I'm here with KHBY, personal home television series at 4:46 a.m. with Evan Elton. Evan Elton, can you give us a traffic report? We got eyes up in the sky, and we're going to go with Fred in the helicopter. And Evan Elton, can you give us a lowdown on the back jam on Yellowhead? And back to the home office with Jen the generator. Jen, can you give us an update on the suicides in Edmonton? Thanks, Jen Generator. Listen, this is a short news brief brought to you by KHBY, Edmonton suicide reporter Ariel TV. This is Alex the Beard Pirate reporting back to you. We are going to report back to Evan the Operator with Evan the Operator weather. Evan, can you give us a 12-day forecast with the weather? It looks like clear skies for the next 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alex, the operator, calling out, and I hope you enjoy your movie with Alex, the ASCAM porn star.